Okay, so this is actually the GD 2015 game, version 2. I have ordered from AliExpress. But unfortunately, they didn't send me antenna, but the seller is quite good. He just acknowledged his mistakes and he is sending the antenna and power adapter too. But fortunately, I have a power adapter. So I will use this demonstration to show you precisely how it works. And there is very much confusion that everybody seems to have regarding this. Because what specific chip does the transmitter actually utilize? The seller and the manufacturing company emphatically claim that it incorporates a QN series chip, but they have not properly or clearly mentioned which particular chip it actually contains, leaving some ambiguity. So when I asked to the seller told me that it has QN 8007 chip with support RDS. Let me show you this. Yeah, as you can see, it has the RDS, the interface. What about the interface made in China? USB LED IR blaster is there, so it supports the USB. You can change the song and a lot of things you can do, and here is a screw for ground. Maybe any harmonics or any type of extra noises if you get, then you can ground this to make your audio clear when it is transmitting, so I tested it. I feel that the transmitting volume is a little bit low as compared to the other transmitters. So do you have this transmitter? If you have this transmitter, please just share your experience with me, because I am feeling that transmitting volume is a little bit low. This is the antenna, I bought it separately. Yes, and I'm gonna plug it. This transmitter is actually looking very cool, very nice, blue and clear. TNC type antenna is good as compared to BNC because it is quite tight and fixed. Okay. I don't know how is your experience because this is low light condition and sometimes my phone camera is unable to focus properly anyway. So every single time when you were carefully pulling out the antenna or perhaps extending it fully, I'm going to use the antenna. So you have to catch in this area. Yeah. And also I'm going to get the electrical power from the main source. It's quite difficult for me because nobody's there to hold the camera. I plugged in the device and I only saw just the green indicator light. Now it is 5 volt, 12 ampere and it requires 6 amperes. But it is not mandatory because the transmitter output is only... Yeah, the transmitter output is only 15 watt maximum. So if your transmitter, if your adapter is 12 volt, 2 ampere, even it will grant properly. But the adapter should be in good quality, should be ensure that, just ensure that the output is proper. So as you can see in front, it is quite good. And 10 watts of power. Okay, so I have set it to 10 watts of output power. 10 watt frequency is 88.5. So I'm just moving it to output from the opposite direction. As you can see, the UH reflected power is around 2, so it should be considered quite low, indicating a very minimal reflection. 1. It should not exceed 1.5. So what exactly do we have to do here? I will just carefully decrease the antenna a little bit, making sure to adjust it precisely. Yeah, now let's check it out. Yeah, now it isn't under control. As you can see, it is 0.9, 0.7, 0.8. This is good. So what have I done? I just make short the antenna again. As you can see, I made short. Okay, one section is almost shortened. So now So what I feel here, If I show you some settings here, here. You can just press and turn off the transmitter like this. It doesn't have any dedicated button to turn it off. Okay, so now again, if you just press here, and also to fix it, just press the button. Yeah, now transmitter is 1 and this is something. What if step 100k and 50k, 200k? I don't know what is the use of this. I need to just do some research. But I have kept in middle 100k. Okay, the volume, the biggest part is the volume of the transmitter. It shows I can control the volume from here. 99. Oh my god, where it is. Bluetooth, it has also mono studio. Where is the volume? Let me just decrease the power now. Otherwise, maybe it will be harmful. Okay, I'm facing a lot of problems focusing anyway. So I'm gonna... And so now, talking about the overall volume, what exactly are they saying? Yeah, the current volume is, as you can clearly see, it is steadily decreasing. But, you know, if you were to make it 50% volume, absolutely no sound will be produced. You will get no sound. You will get there. And transmitting output, so what you have to do, you have to come here. Maximum approximately from the 80% the volume starts okay now. If you just turn on the volume, then you would able to hear what you are transmitting. So to enjoy your transmitting sound properly, you have to full of your input volume. Like whatever you are using through Bluetooth, from mobile phone, from laptop box, from laptop, through wax cable, whatever you are using. You have to full up the volume from laptop also. You have to pull up the volume here, then you would able to hear the sound, what you are transmitting. So even I, compared with the other transmitter, even the volume is full from both sides, from this transmitter and from the input side. So also you will feel that the volume is a little bit low, it is moderate, not fully enjoyable. Maybe you are just listening through earphone and dancing. It is not like that. Volume is quite balanced, but the sound quality is amazing. Sound quality, sound bass clarity, signal strength is quite good as compared to the other transmitter like Neo, RF Neo, or retake is what I don't know. Because this has maybe the QN series chip, which is really good, and we know QN series chip is really popular for audio qualities, and also the transmitter quality is really good. And when you are using this type of telescopic antenna, you should be very careful, because if the reflected frequency is not under control, then your transmitter will be burned out. So you have to be careful for this. So as you can see, I am transmitting around 11 watt power, but the reflected power is under control. You have to adjust the antenna properly. And also you should not touch the antenna after turning on the transmitter. Also, you have to be careful about from where you are transmitting. Is there any electromagnetic fields and a lot of electric wire are there or not? Also, you should not place the transmitter beside a metal or anything else, so you have to be careful. So, do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon in the next video. But before that, this particular type of radio, and with this radio I will now show you how far the signal goes. Okay.
I've been quiet, I've been waiting like a fuse, just hesitating. Now the beat is elevating, feel the thunder in my chest. Tired of walking, now I'm flying. No more truth behind the lying. This is real, no more denying. I was built for more than less. No more shadows, no more